Here is timeless elegance, vintage wooden element sculpture in your home decor. In an era marked by the pursuit of sustainability and a keen appreciation for the artistry of the past, vintage wooden animal sculpture have emerged as an enhancing addition to the contemporary home decor. These masterpieces, crafted from old and the reused wood, not only capture the enhance of nature beauty but also evoke a sense of nostalgia and the timelessness, making them the perfect statement piece for any living space. The allure of vintage wooden animal sculptures lies not only in their craftsmanship but also in their use of repurposed wood. The idea of breathing a new life into a discarded materials is an homage to the past and the commitment to a more sustainable future. Each sculpture carries a unique history representing the character of wood while transforming it into a piece of art that seamlessly blends rustic charm with contemporary design. Integrating wooden animal sculpture into a home decor is an akin to inviting us beautiful natural interior. These sculptures often depicting gracefully creatures such as bird, deer, or even mythical being, infuse the living space with the tranquil ambience. The gentle curve and the intricate details of the sculpture capture the spirit of an animal kingdom, celebrating the harmony of between human life and the natural woods. The beauty of vintage wooden animal sculptures lies in their ability to add an element of rustic elegance to a modern interiors, whether placed in a living room, modern, or even in the hallway. These sculptures become captivating focal point that effortlessly bridge the gap between tradition and the innovation. There, with the texture and the warm tones contrast against sleek contemporary furnishing, creating a visual delight that captivates all over the world. One of the most enhancing aspects of vintage wooden animal sculpture is the story they carry. The aged wood whisper tales of forgotten forest, weather storm, and the passage of time. Incorporating these sculptures into home decor is an invitation for conversation and the connection, a bridge between generations as an older family member about their past and younger one marvel at the craftsmanship of yesterday years. The versatility of vintage wooden animal sculpture is highlighted by the endless possibilities they offer for creative engagement and the arrangement. A solitary eagle perched atop a bookshelf exhausts majesty. The trio of grazing deer, mental evoke of woodland scenes, and the whimsical all peering out of the potted plant add a element of surprise. The sculpture can stand alone or be harmoniously combined to weave narrative that resonate the personal aesthetic and the stories. While these sculptures have withstood the test of time, they still require gentle care of maintenance, their allure. Regular dusting and the occasional polishing with natural wood oil will enhance their innate luster, preserving them for generations to come. The mark and the imperfection that bear witness of their history should be embraced, as they are part of a charm that make each piece unique. In the world that constantly seek the new and the novels, vintage wooden animal sculpture offer a refreshing departure. They beckon us to slow down, to appreciate the artistry of craftsmanship, and the good thing is to bring a touch of nature, grace, elegance our home. As we embrace this structure, we embrace a legacy of creativity, sustainability, and the everlasting beauty of wood sculpture by
Here
time
we are
itself.
back again. Our today's topic is creative vintage food and animal decoration and some recycle ideas that will help you to reduce your carbon footprint and reduce your waste around you. Vintage food and animal decoration are a great way to add character and charm to your home decor. They not only seems as a reminder for simplifier time but also add a touch of nature to your living space. But did you know that you can also recycle old wooden items and turn them into a vintage animal decoration? In this video, we will explore some creative ideas for recycling old wood and